Hello guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to Learn English Zone. In today's video, we bring you a new romantic and mysterious English story designed to help you improve your listening, vocabulary, and pronunciation. This story is called The Last Bus, a night that changed everything. One night, a girl misses her usual ride and takes the last bus instead. But this is no ordinary bus ride. She meets someone who turns a quiet night into the start of something unforgettable. This story is written in clear, slow English, perfect for beginner and intermediate learners. Let's begin the journey. Ella checked her watch. It was 10:42 p.m. She had stayed late at the bookstore, reading and losing track of time. When she got to the bus stop, the usual bus had already left. "Oh no," she whispered. "Now I have to take the last one." The last bus came at 11 p.m. It was always empty, quiet, a little eerie. She sat on the bench and waited, the cold air brushing her face. At 11:01, the bus pulled up with a quiet hum. Its headlights lit up the empty street. Ella stepped in. The driver gave a small nod. She walked to the middle of the bus and sat near the window. Only one other person was there, a boy about her age, reading a notebook. He looked up, smiled politely, and returned to his notes. Ella stared out the window. The city looked different at night. Soft, slower. The bus turned onto a quiet road. Suddenly, it jerked to a stop. The lights inside flickered. Then the driver said, "Sorry folks, engine trouble. This might take a while." Ella sighed. Perfect. The boy looked up. "Rough night?" She nodded. "Missed my usual bus." He smiled. "Same." They laughed. "I'm Ryan," he said, reaching out his hand. "Ella." They shook hands. Two strangers on a broken-down bus. They talked about books, movies, music. Ryan was funny, kind, easy to talk to. Ella felt comfortable, more than she had in a long time. "Do you always take this bus?" he asked. "No, first time, and probably last," she laughed. "I hope not," he said. Their eyes met. Silence. A good kind of silence. After 20 minutes, the driver fixed the problem. The bus started again. The ride continued. But something had changed. Ella and Ryan sat closer. They shared headphones, listened to music together, and smiled. The bus neared Ella's stop. She stood up, then paused. "This is me," she said softly. Ryan looked up. "Can I see you again?" Ella hesitated. She didn't know him, but she wanted to. She took out a pen and wrote her number on his notebook. "Only if you read this page again," she said, smiling. He laughed. "Deal." She stepped off the bus. The doors closed. The bus drove away. The next morning, Ella's phone buzzed. A message. "Page 47 of my notebook now has your number and my favorite memory. Ryan." Ella smiled. She replied, "Let's make page 48 even better." Ella and Ryan met again. And again. Coffee shops, bookstores, park benches. The bus had been the beginning. Not an accident, a moment waiting to happen. Exactly 1 year after they met, Ella and Ryan took the last bus again. This time, together. Same driver, same seats, no engine trouble. But full hearts. Ryan opened his notebook. showed her page 47, and then a new page. It said, "Will you keep writing this story with me?" She looked at him, eyes shining. "Yes," she whispered, and they rode through the night. Thank you for listening to The Last Bus, a night that changed everything. We hope this romantic English story helped you enjoy learning English. Like, subscribe, tell us your favorite part in the comments. Learn English Zone. Stories for your heart and your English.